Alpha, Germany, uniform, QSL.
Okay, QSL, Victor United 2, Papa Germany, uniform. Good afternoon, thanks for the call. Nice to meet you on 10. Your signal report is very good, 5 by 9, 5 by 9 plus 10 last year over. My name is Sergey, Sierra Echo, Radio Golf Echo Yankee, Sergey. QTH Kaniv, Kilo Alpha November Italy Victor, Center Ukraine, okay? So how copy in India? Victor United 2, Papa Germany, uniform, this United Radio C, Charlie Tango Bravo, or?
Roger, my friend, thank you for your signal report. You are also 5-9 at my place. Thank you, sir. Papa Alpha Whiskey Alpha November. Pawan is my name. My QTH is on the eastern part of India, my friend. Your voice is coming very nicely at my place. Over, over.
Okay, QSL, Mr. Pavan, yes, Papa Alpha, Whiskey Alpha November. Pavan, Roger, please, what is my signal report, or?
Roger, Roger. Your signal report is 5859, my friend. Very good copy from my place. QSL?
Okay, QSL, Mr. Pavan, 5 by 9, thanks to you. You're also coming 5 by 9, very good signal from India. I'm using here transceiver ICOM 706, 5-element antenna, 500 watt. Today was sunny weather and about 15 degrees Celsius. Victor United 2, Papa Germany uniform, this United Radio C, Charlie Tango Bravo, or?
Roger, Roger.